Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my YouTube channel Cryptoland. Hope you all are doing good and having a great day. Well, as you all know, we talk about new projects, new websites, and I always try to introduce those sites to you in which you can invest and get a good return. So today I'm here with another great project to share with you all, and that project is not just working for themselves, but also they are providing help, they are providing fund to the new projects and helping them to grow as well. So let's move to our side. Let's know more about their vision and what their thoughts are about their project. But before we begin, I want to all to please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. All right, so this is our project for today. It's Super Launch. Super Launch is a project incubator and funding platform for startups. We have their official contract address. You can get this contract address right from their website and don't go for fake addresses. Then we have their white paper. You can have a look on their white paper so you will have a better vision about their project and what they have thought of the project. So you can go through their white paper and you will get all in detailed information in their white paper. Then we have link to their Twitter account. You can follow them on their Twitter account as well. And we have link to their Telegram community. You can join them on Telegram. So if you have any question, if you have anything about project, any query, so you can ask them and you will be responded quickly. And then we have their Twitter. You can follow them on Twitter as well. They have had given many airdrops and they always do giveaways, etc. So of course you will be notified about their giveaways and everything on Twitter as well. So you have to follow them on their social channels to stay updated about the project and all the things ongoing in their project. So here you can see the recent tweets and congratulations to SLA holders just listed on CMC. So they have listed in CMC and now they will be listing in CoinGecko very soon, and they have already reached 1600 holders and 1.6 million of market cap. So you can follow them on Twitter. So you will be getting all the updates of the project and the listing details, all the updates. Then let's get back to our website. We have linked to their live chart. You can check out on PooCoin as well and Dextool as well. So we have super launch on PooCoin. You can check out their price, their chart, and their recent transaction everything on PooCoin. And you can also access their website, their social channels from here as well. So we have a link to buy from PancakeSwap. You can directly buy SLA tokens from PancakeSwap. Then you can trade on Dextool as well. You can check all of their details on Dextool. You have their website and social channels here accessible as well. You have their chart. You can see them on Dextool as well. You have their market cap as they have already reached 1600 holders. Now they have 2456 holders and they have 1.5 market cap. You can check index score. You can see that they have already reached 94 score. So this is a great thing. And then let's move to our site. Okay, so let's talk about what is IDO, what is Super Launch, and their IDOs was startup, incubator, and launchpad developed by SL development team on Binance Smart Chain. Super Launch will help startups with the funding and support to launch their project in the most efficient and secure way possible. So SL development team will provide quality, security, and trust investment ways to blockchain project and investors. Superlaunch will support Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Solana, and upcoming Flare network. So what they have for their holders, you can check it out here. They have many rewards for their holders. Plus, you will be if you are holder of SLS, you will be able to participate in the pre-sale of their upcoming projects. So holders of SLA tokens will be eligible to participate pre-sales for upcoming launch projects. Each tier shall be eligible for different contribution caps for pre-sale participation. So tier 1 shall have the highest contribution cap and tier 3 shall have the lowest. For example, tier 1 investors may be able to contribute maximum of 1 BNB, while tier 3 investors will be limited to 0.05 BNB. IDO model subject to change depending on the nature and requirements of project. Details for launches will be released via Super Launch official information channels. So you have the tier system mentioned here. So for tier 1, you have to hold at least 40,000 SLA token, and then you will be able to contribute $100 to $500. So this is the best tier. You have to hold 40,000 SLA token, and then you will be in tier 1 and you can contribute more than tier 2 and tier 3. Then in tier 2, the minimum amount you have to hold for SLA is to 5,000 to between 39999, and you will be able to contribute $25 to $100. And in tier 3 you will be able to contribute max $25, for which you have to hold at least SLA token of 52 for 999. So this is the tier system they have mentioned. You can check it out. And then we have their roadmap. So you can see that their CMC and CoinGecko listing is here mentioned, and they have already done CMC listing, and now they will be soon listed in CoinGecko as well. Security audit and security platform release, plan 2 IDO according to platform test, website version 2, staking feature in 5,000 Telegram members. Then 2022 quarter 1 4 IDO, Uniswap and Solana bridge, exclusive partnerships, and 10K Twitter follower. Then 6 IDO, Flare integration, exclusive partnerships, 20K Twitter followers, and CX listings. Then 8 IDO, NFT marketplace integration, NFT startups, esport partnerships, and top 10 CEX listing. Then liquidity boost, 8 IDO, easy super launch library for developers, branding, marketplace for SL, and major CEX listing. So you can check their roadmap, so you will know that what they have planned. And then we have their token distribution details. So SLA is the native token on the ecosystem and a key factor in the incubation process. Being a reflective token and a quality fork of RFI, and all SLA transaction incurs a 2% fee, which redistributes the token amongst all holders, and 3% will be added to liquidity. So holders of a fixed minimum number of SLA tokens shall have access to upcoming projects within the super launch ecosystem that we have already read, and we have known about their tier system. Then 40% was for pre-sale, 5% is for marketing, 5% for team and ecosystem, 17% is for PancakeSwap liquidity locked, and 23% for exclusive airdrop, etc. And then 10% for partnerships and listings. We have the token details mentioned here. There's a name, it's a BP20 based token. Then we have their symbol, Binance Smart Chain platform, then their token, total 10 million of their total supply. And then super launch will be released on the basis of Binance Smart Chain platform and fully comply with BP20 standard. Support of this standard guarantees the compatibility of the tokens with third-party services, wallet, exchanges, listing, etc., and provides easy integration. So you can see their partnerships. They have been partnered with Stop Global Warming and QUA Finance. So Stop Global Warming is a project that is charity and NFT based project. The vision of a Stop Global Warming is to inoculate simple, affordable, and effective mechanisms to reduce carbon and institute effective emissions control systems so that global warming and climate change can be kept at manageable levels. Then QUA Finance, we will establish very strong communication networks. QUA holders will become the managers of these networks. QUA will evaluate all the tokens in the BSC network and announce the best quality and future projects to you. So then the upcoming projects they have mentioned, for which you will be able to participate based on your tier system. All right, let me tell you that they have started a new giveaway. Super Launches has started a giveaway. All you have to do is to you have a link to their bot, Super SLA Airdrop bot. You have to click on that link. You have some simple tasks to complete, and after doing that task, you will be getting each 100 randomly winners will be getting 2.5% of USDT, and the top 10 with most refers will get 5 USDT each. So they are giving $300 USDT as a reward, and you can participate in this. All right, so this was our project for today, Super Launch, and Super Launch is here to fund new platforms and to help them grow. And you can participate even in the upcoming launches, upcoming pre-sales. So all you have to do is to buy SLE tokens and hold them, and you will be able to participate in upcoming launches, pre-sales as based on your tier circle. So I will provide the link in my description. You can check out the project by yourself. You can do your own research and you will definitely gonna love this project. And of course, you have to join them on the Telegram and Twitter. So you will be notified about the giveaways and all the things. So I hope you like the website. If yes, so please like my video, subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.